For today's tutorial, I will be going over on how to hide items in Navisworks. You can start by selecting the desired item you want to hide. For example, let's say I want to know if there's an outlet behind these certain appliances. Hover over, and then I'm going to select, right click, drop down to hide these items. Select, right click, hide. Alright, now let's say I want to bring these items back and I can't find them. Luckily there's a button that can unhide all these items. So you go to the Home tab, go over to the Visibility panel, and select Unhide All. Alright, let's say you want to hide all of the appliances in the model. You're not going to go around and fly the model and select every single appliance individually. So what you can do is select a certain appliance, locate it in the selection tree, and it's under Specialties Equipment. So what you're going to do is go to the Home tab, go under Select and Search panel, and you're going to select Same Name. Alright, so now it should highlight every single specialty equipment in the model. So what you're going to do is right click on any blue items and hide. Now that should hide every single item under specialty equipment. Alright, another way that you can hide items in your model is by going over to the selection tree. So let's say I want to hide all of these floor plans. What I can do is select, hold shift, and then right click on the highlighted blue, and then select hide. Alright, let's say I want to bring it back. I select them all again, right click, and then I just uncheck this. Let's say I want to hide everything except for the floor plan. So what I can do is right click and then hide unselected. That way I can only see the floor plans. And you do the same way again. Hide unselected. Alright, that concludes today's tutorial video.